How to install Gcam, load XML, and load custom libraries on the Poco X3 Pro without root. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Gcam, load XMLs, and load custom libraries on the Poco X3 Pro without having to root it. Now, I do have the Poco X3 Pro. This is the global version running Miui 12.5.1 based on Android 11. However, the process will work on the Indian variant as well, which is codenamed Bhima, and it will also work on custom ROMs. All the resources, all the applications, all the APKs which we are using in this video are linked in the description of the video. So for starters, you do need an application which will let you install APKs. I am using FX File Manager. You are free to use any file manager application which you want to. So we are on the home page of FX. Go into main storage. Let me change the view as list, and then we can go into download, because this is where we have all the files which we need. So for starters, you do of course need the Gcam APK. Now do note, when you go to download the Gcam APK, you might see multiple options. The only difference is the package name, which does let you install multiple Gcams on your device. So use whichever one you want to. Functionality wise, there is no difference. Then you need the XML file, and you also need a library file. The one which we are using is by Aronova, and do note that all of these, that is your XML and the libraries, are optional. It is not mandatory. And before you ask me then why the heck are we using these, well, they're fine tuning your camera. That's what they are doing. So how do you install it? Installation of the Gcam is as easy as tapping on the APK and allowing FX File Manager to install applications. And of course, the super secure Miui now wants me to wait for 10 seconds, read their message, and then tap on the check mark and say okay. Anyways, let us go back and install the camera application. Now, once the application has installed successfully, let us go ahead and bring it over to our home screen. First up, press and hold, go into application info, and if clear data is enabled, clear all the data, which does include your cache. Now you might ask me, we just installed it, why are we doing this? Well, in case you had any previous Gcam installed, you have to clear the data so that they do not interfere with each other's settings and all those things. Next up, let us open the Gcam application, and it is going to ask you for permissions. I just say while using the application wherever applicable, then tap on the done button. First thing we need to do is we need to load the XML. So tap on the empty space between the shutter button and the photo button. So shutter button, photo button, empty space, double tap. This is going to open your internal storage. Now just navigate to the folder where you have the XML. So in my case, download, and here it is, BSG XML. Once I select it, the camera UI and the camera is going to restart. So there it is, it restarted, and that means the XML was loaded without any issues. Next up, how do you load the custom library? So swipe down on your viewfinder. Either you can swipe down or you can tap on this arrow which you see on the top middle, and then tap on the gear icon. This is your settings. This is going to open the settings page. Herein you need to go into libraries, right, and then say load custom lib. Then again it is going to open the internal storage and say the folder, or select the folder where you have the custom library. In my case, download. Automatically the Aronova library showed up, so select it, and that's it. The UI is going to restart one more time, and now we have successfully loaded our custom library and our custom XML as well. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install Gcam, load a custom library, load a custom XML on the Poco X3 Pro without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.